First thing I notice, it's at least 10 pounds lighter than my old one. Here's our outlet gauge, tank gauge, air outlets, our regulator, power switch, safety valve, and our drain valve. Rubber feet. 6-gallon, soft start motor, 150 psi. I like that it does come with a nice tool chart here, letting you know what you can and cannot use with this. Cutting, drilling, sanding, spray gun is not recommended for this tool. But for what I need it for, it's going to be perfect. Curious how long is this cord. Our cord is 6 feet. So we're going to put this to work today. And these are oil free. 32 pounds. Input power 12.0 amps. The sound decibels is 83, which is actually pretty good. It's under the 85 mark. We're plugged in. Hands are to hang that somewhere up, probably in one of these corners. Without making any adjustments, it stopped at 150. Or like probably 149. I like that it does have 2 outlets. My other one did not have that. And it also didn't have a proper valve. It had this valve here, which I hate it because it always got stuck. You always had to find a pair of pliers just to open that valve. Okay, it's been several months now, where now I can give a good review on this pancake compressor. I love it. It's been one of the best things that I've put in the workshop. If you have a small workshop, I recommend it. Now, when I made this purchase, retail value was around, I think, about 120 bucks. Now, when I check, they're around about 150 bucks now. But everything's gone up anyway, so it is what it is. But I also have something else that I purchased, this retractable hose reel. As you see, I have it here hooked up. I also have a full video of that coming out. I will also leave you links to those 2 products. I've been pretty busy. I also hung this guy up. Stay tuned for that video as well. And excuse the mess in the workshop. It's pretty messy right now because I'm also working on this side of the shop. Slowly but surely, stay tuned for more tool review DIY videos. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon. And I'll see you on the next one. You have yourself a good one.